Okay, so as of this hour, it's 1 a.m. September 5, and technically 2 days after Echelon, and I'm still here fixing this business cards. And we actually just decided Kuripot Coach will be free to use. So bakit namin napag-decided to? Pero wait, I think this is 80% final, so this is not yet final, if you know what I mean. But we're set to launch hopefully by end of month, by end of September for our beta launch, and ang nakikita namin is by November, that will be the time that we'll release our version 1. Very exciting. A lot of good things has happened after Echelon and during Echelon, and sobrang saya ko kasi bukod sa mga connections, bukod sa mga partners, potential investors, sobrang dami ko natutunan. Nagkaroon ako ng clear head about saan papunta si Casey, kung ano talaga siya, kung anong potential niya, at sobrang exciting na ang daming taong naghihintay na matulungan ni Kuripot Coach. So I feel super overwhelmed positively. I'm excited, and lalo nung nakita ko tong email na to. I'm actually not sure if I should be sharing this, or ang tagal ko pinag-isipan kung dapat kong i-share to kasi possible pa rin namang hindi tayo matanggap, pero we got an interview kasi sa Iterative BC for Kuripot Coach. And ayun, medyo nakinginig pa ako kasi kinakabahan ako kasi yung call, in-schedule ko agad siya today din, 1 a.m. ngayon eh. Today, mga 4:30 p.m. Di ko alam kung anong maramdaman ko. So, wish me luck. Actually, by the time na I post this video, matagal lang tapos yung interview. But yeah, I'll let you know sa page natin kung makakapasok ba tayo. Hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal yung process. I think usually 1 month lang overall end-to-end. And of course, if makapasa pa tayo sa next stages, babalitaan ko na lang kayo. Okay? At kung hindi nyo alam yung Iterative, baka nagtataka kayo bakit parang kabadong-kabado ako. Iterative is something like the YC or the Y Combinator of Asia, of Southeast Asia. So, it's huge. Especially that Casey sa Kuripot Coach, Southeast Asia talaga yung market natin. Yeah, it's something big. Yeah, and from here, nothing changes. We'll keep building, we'll keep shipping, and hopefully maging available na si Casey sa mga phones natin so that maiangat talaga natin yung financial literacy sa Pilipinas, and marami nang mawala ng utang, marami nang magkaroon ng savings, at matuto talaga tayo kung ano talaga yung financial freedom. So, I'm really looking forward to that, and hopefully makasama ka namin sa mission na to. And kung wala ka pa sa waitlist ng Kuripot Coach, just go to kuripotcoach.com. Yan, join the waitlist. Again, free na si Casey, free to use. And of course, mag-offer pa rin naman kami ng mga paid plans, pero para sa mga power users na and sa mga gusto talagang mag-commit into achieving their goals, their financial goals. So more about the tiered plans and the paid plans soon, and ano yung parang magiging business model talaga ni Casey. So yun lang, gusto ko lang i-share tong moment na to, na na-receive ko yung email, tapos 2 days after Echelon, dami ko pa rin inaayos ng mga business cards. I even plan kailan ako magre-reconnect sa kanila, ano yung magti-trigger ng reconnection, kasi ayaw ko rin namang wala lang, mag-thank you lang ako na nag-connect kami. I want something productive, so that's why I'm doing all of this. It's 1 a.m. and yeah, this is the start of life. Ngayon lang, I'll see you on the next one. Bye!